Talk to me nice, talk to me honestly. Look in my eyes, don't let it fall on me. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. We time, you I know how to make me feel right. I can't help how this sweet talk. I'm already on my way. I'm pulling up, don't be late. I'm cutting through all the lanes. Sweet talk, you need to say let's convey. No need for no flowers, babe. I'm already on my way, on my way. Why you blushing? Yeah, sweet concussion. Oh, you miss my touching. Good girl. Show me something. Give me more than one thing. I need more than less than I do. Say you're a good guy, make me believe it. Don't wanna hear it, I wanna see it. See how rewind, when we rewind, it feels so nice. I can't help how this sweet.
What's up everybody, Tommy here from Adonis Dance Academy. Today I'm going to teach you hip pivots. Yeah? Okay, these are great. You know why? Because you can use them pretty much anywhere where there's like a suitable hip hop vibe. And it's a very effective dance move at grabbing attention because it is kind of a powerful movement. Because in my opinion, when you do things from the hips, whether it be a hip thrust or no matter what it is, it's a powerful movement because the hips are a powerful part of your body. You can really hit things quite hard. And it's drawing the audience's attention to your hips. And when you do that, things tend to get a bit more sexual, especially if you're a male dancer. So what I want to show you today is simply hip pivots. Now, I like to do the pivots in a wider stance. It doesn't really work when you're nice and upright. You want to be nice and low, yeah? So if you happen to be in a low position while you're dancing and you notice, your legs get spread apart a bit, it's a perfect moment to just take a break, bring your arms out, and then just bring your fist in like this to your hip. And as you bring your fist in, I want you to hit that hip right out, yeah? We pivot in on the toe, okay? Our knee buckles inwards, and we push out with our hip, yeah? So it's not just a pivot, it's a hip pivot. Show you the difference one more time, okay? That's just the pivot, okay? This is the hip. See how it looks more powerful? I'm really...
And they grind me. Now I'm on my game, nothing is the same. Who am I to blame? Money made me change. Cardi in my ring when I'm switching lanes. Money in the carry on them Boeing planes. Money in the carry on them Boeing planes. Now I got a buck for all those rainy days. Ain't have a day off in like 80 days. I got hustles in like 80 ways. Kids if he won't take a lazy day. Wifey on me told me take a break. I keep going to the paper straight. Then it's trips out to Montego Bay. If I take the job, bet I get it done. I said it before, I'm a one-on-one. I just caught some ones, only wearing ones. Fornicate the funds, money made me calm. Diamonds on your neck, bet they on your neck. You want that watch, you better rock a tech. You want that chain, you better cop a vest. You want the check, but can you make it stretch?
Enough talking. I want you to watch this next clip. I'm going to demonstrate some examples of how you can use it in your freestyle dance. Watch it and then put on your music and practice yourself.
Thank God, bad decision got you wishing you could say nah. My city gritty, you could get hit any day now. On my mama, I'ma move my family way out. With some 20s, 50s, hundreds, thousands, millions, billions, trillions, zillions. I'm talking Amazon money, talking so much money I could mess around and buy Amazon.